So it's a new day, and what Roy and I are going to do, we still have a little bit of work to do taking some of the upper stuff off so we can get the siding up all the way, or I should say the sheeting. We're going to build the door frame and the wall coming across, and let me show you what the roof line is doing right now with just that short wall in there. It'll show this side is coming down because there's no real support where this load-bearing wall is. So as you can see, just look at this metal part here. How this is just looking even, and as you get over here, it humps up right about there. That tells you the load is coming down, and we need to get that wall in there to pick it all back up again. Sorry about the clicking, but that's just the way this air stand is. So because we know the roof is trying to come down or slowly easing down, we decided to stick a jack in there so that way it'll help so we can build our door opening and get the rest of 2x4s as needed in, and this way it holds that wall up so it's not going to want to come down on us, even though I don't think it would, but in time it would. Here I have to take the jack down because our first 2x4 wouldn't go in, and yes, that's all we have is 8-foot 2x4s, so it'll be a slow process, but that's okay. And now we have it all supported up, and we'll be going up even more yet. Here I'm working on the old header that was above the door. At one time there used to be a large window in there, and so I was surprised that they actually used something that might actually work to support the weight of the roof. This here needs to be chopped. I think I have to take about 3 foot off of it in order to make it work for what we're trying to use it for, which is the French doors. Here Roy is going to be helping me with this header to get it cut off to the right size, and now that's done. So now all we have to do is cut all of our 2x4s to be the right length, and we can pop that wall in and get that header up there. Now I'm going to get all the 2x4s cut, or some of them, for the length that we need to get the wall built, and also try to get the ones cut that's going to hold that header up there for our door opening. And of course now we're going to install the jack again, because like I say, we need all the help we can get, and it's going to make it easier to get these 2x4s in. Just to make it easy, I'm cutting this 4x4 for blocks just above that header to go up to the upper sill, so that way it holds the roof into place, helps support all that stuff. And another reason why is, besides the 4x4 is in the way, this is why it got cut up, but also this way when you're trying to get the sheeting up there and whatnot, you're almost guaranteed you're going to hit wood, not an airspace. So now that we got our door opening done, now we can start building our wall all the way across, and once that's done we can finally get that sheeting on. And, oh, I guess we do have to build a window right there where I was standing in the new laundry room. I'm busy cutting more 2x4s for the outside wall, and Roy's over there working on the left side where the new bathroom's going to be. We still have that big chunk of old floor in there that we have to take out so we can finish the wall all the way to the end. We got the new subfloor in, and nail it into place. Now we can finish our 2x4 wall that we're putting in. For our new window, I got the header boards built or cut to size, so Roy's put them together because we're ready to start our window frame. Here's the window. How's it look? Well, this is about all we got done today. It took almost major work down under because we had to move plumbing, get rid of plumbing. We have a water filter on the wall. We had to move the pipe there, just kind of clean it up underneath there because we're moving the washer, toilet, we're moving everything. So it took a while to clean that stuff up. Roy got rid of the antique wiring that was coming up through the house and into the garage. It wasn't even alive anymore. So you can see we only got a few 2x4s in. Besides that, we have a few extra supports in there in the floor to make it a little bit stronger. So I guess we're done for the day. We got to go shopping to buy a few more 2x4s because we don't have enough to finish this wall here, and we still have a window over there that we need to take out, aluminum window, and change it with a vinyl window, and also kind of change the size a little bit because that's a foreign window compared to the standard windows you can buy at the store. So anyway, until next time, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. All of this is free.